Time to test out GoPro Hero 9 Black in various lighting conditions. Now I'm walking around and I can actually see the front display and it's quite stuttery, I'm not going to lie, it's not super smooth, but the point is I can frame myself very badly backlit right now, walking around. This is all extended on a kind of grip selfie stick type thing, not as far as I could go. Could I hold it at this point? Yeah, I'm holding it with my hand now so you can gauge the distance. Now in bright light, you can see how the exposure shifting is handled, and I can walk around, and also you can gauge pickup on the microphones as well. So panning around, still seeing myself. There's still a degree of jerkiness that I can see into easier to handle lighting, and then going indoors, and exposure shifts backlit, doesn't quite pull out face detail with such heavy backlit, at least based on what's going on screen. But based on the fact it's all quite jerky, what's going on screen won't represent what's actually being recorded. So that is something that you can gauge.